So let's talk about the hydraulic versus the cable clutch pedal kit. Um, I gotta say I've been making a lot of these cable pedals for years. This is actually once again the very first one that was in my car back in 2009. It worked. It's gonna work again if you decide to make your own. Uh, Truth is, you can get the used Mustang assembly pedal kit for dirty cheap and make your own, which is of course gonna cost you less than the hydraulic kit that has more parts involved into the whole kit. The reason why I've stopped making the clutch cable kit quite a few years ago is I just couldn't get my hands on used Mustang assembly anymore. I pretty much bought everything around me. I even imported lots of these units of the States so I could keep going on making some more. But as anything goes, the price was going to go up quite significantly, and it was just not an option anymore to make them in large quantities. I would have had to raise the price by a lot, which would have been just ridiculously expensive. So now the hydraulic kit is pretty much the natural evolution and the panther swap, manual swap. This is the very first version right here. It does work. It has its pros, it has its cons. It does need some refinement, some adjustments, some modification. Just like my very first kit, it's been under many revisions. So I've been talking to Chris about the hydraulic kit, and he's well aware of what's going on. There's a lot of people either complaining that it's super stiff, and some other people saying it's super smooth. At the end of the day, it all relies on the clutch pressure plate kit that you choose. Doesn't matter if you go hydraulic or cable. If you go with a center force dual friction, it's going to be stiff no matter what. Mustang guy has been complaining about stiff pedal for years, so we're pretty much in the same boat. And if it's even worse for our cars, because you know it never came with the manual transmission. So all that to say that the hydraulic kit, like I said, it was a natural transition from the cable. Nothing wrong if you're doing a cable kit on yours. Nothing wrong if you're going hydraulic. There's going to be some adjustment made to it, and mainly to get more clutch leverage on this. So that's my take on the hydraulic versus the clutch cable kit. Let me know what you guys think. There's always room for improvement, and hopefully we'll get something better out there with the help of Chris at ADTR. Thanks for watching.